Namaste, this is Matrishwa from Matrishwa Vyas Clinical and Wildlife Photography. In this video, you will learn how to remove a color noise from your image using Adobe Camera Raw. The effect you will learn looks like this. On left of your screen is an image with random variation of colors, and on right you have a homogeneous color. Color noise is basically associated with hitting of the sensor, and it is especially seen during long exposures and sometimes in underexposed images. Let us see how to correct the color noise in Adobe Camera Raw. I have opened one image and made some basic edits to it. At this zoom level, everything looks okay. But when I zoom in, I see a lot of variation in colors. To remove this color noise, I go to this panel known as Detail, and under that there is a slider called Color Noise Reduction Slider. But before I reduce the color noise, the first thing I need to do is to reduce an overall noise and move this slider to the right till I see the overall reduction in the noise. So once that is done, I go to this color noise reduction slider and move it to the right till I see a homogeneous color in my image. So from next time, whenever you process your image, look for this often neglected yet important parameter, especially if you are printing your images in a large format. If you have learned something from this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Also, you can share it with your friend. Thank you very much and keep exploring.